Webmania.
Hello viewers, welcome to Webmania Bootstrap 3 29th video tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Bootstrap Accordion. In our previous video tutorial, we will discuss about collaspe plugin. And in this video tutorial, we will discuss how to extend the collaspe plugin and build an accordion. So we want to achieve this layout by using collaspe plugin as well. So here we want to achieve, and all this we have in the panel group. For this we have to create panel group, and inside the panel group this is our panel heading and this is our panel body. So let's go back to our editor to achieve this. So this is our editor, and notice within a container we have a row class, and inside the row class we have the grid classes which is spanning across the column to 4 unit wide. So the first step is to create div element with class panel group. So this one is panel group, and also with id parent id, because our parent is panel group, and inside the panel group we have it contains its child, which are panel classes itself. And then let me comment this panel group, close here. And inside the panel group we have to create the div element with class panel itself, and also panel primary, its styling. And inside this, let me comment this, it's a panel, close here. So inside this we have to create the panel heading, and inside this we have h3 with class panel title, and our panel title is anchor element, which is symbol hash sign first, and our anchor element is HTML. Let's save this and view in our browser. So this is our browser, and when we reload this page, notice we have the panel heading with HTML link. So let's go back to our editor. So now we have to create panel div outside the panel heading. Before I'm going to create a panel body, I create div element with id. Sorry, with id is to HTML body. And inside this, let me comment this, HTML body id, close here. Let's comment this one, and inside this I'm going to create the panel body. So div class panel body, and inside the panel body, let me comment this panel body, close here. So inside the panel body I create a div element with class well, and write something in this, which is, so let's save this and view in our browser. This is our browser, and when we reload this page, notice it's our HTML panel heading and it's our HTML body. So let's go back to our editor to apply a plugin on this. So this is our editor, and this is our panel body. So we want, when we click on this link, the link of HTML, our panel body has to be collapsed and has to be expanded. For this I'm using the jQuery ID selector, and this is HTML body, which means that when we click on this, this section has to be collapsed and expand. With this, I'm going to use the class of panel collapse and also collapse. Along with, I'm going to use the data toggle collapse, and we want to collapse within our parent element, which is panel group. So we use here data parent, the jQuery ID selector, it's going to parent ID. Here it's going to parent ID. Let's save this and view in our browser. So this is our browser, and when we reload this, notice we got only have HTML button, HTML link, because we use collapse class here. So when we click on this, you can see this section, it's our body, it's our panel section, panel body section has to be expand, and when click again, it's collapse. So let's go back to editor again. So we have to make 2 more copies of this. Here I'm going to make 2 more copies. This is our first copy, and in this I'm going to use here CSS, and the link changes to CSS body, and also I'm going to change this div element to CSS body, similar to the upper one. And here I'm going to change the text. So this is about CSS. So now let's make another copy of this. Because we want 3 accordions. So here I'm also going to use it's our JavaScript. So a JavaScript body, let me copy this and paste this. So it's our JavaScript body. Let me paste this. And similar, we have to change CSS from JavaScript. And also change the text here. Copy this. A simple write JavaScript is a script based language. So let's save this and view in our browser. This is our browser, and when we reload the page, notice HTML, CSS and JavaScript are 3 panel headers, and all the plugins are now collapsed. And when we click on this, it expand, and when we click on this, these are also expand. And this is the purpose of parent div. I told you that all these panels are inside a panel group, our parent group. So this one. So we achieve this layout, and here is the required HTML for that. To have all the accordion panels collapsed on the initial load, we use collapse class. And to have all the accordion panel expand, we use collapse class along with in class. So let's see example of this. So this is our browser, and when I reload this, notice all the 3 panel bodies are now collapsed. If we want to expand this one, when we reload, and the other remaining 2 bodies should be collapsed. So let's go back to our editor. This is our editor, and we want when we reload the page, our HTML panel body should be expanded. So here I'm going to use the class of in. This is collapse class, and along with class I'm going to use in class. So let's save this and view in our browser. So there is our browser. At that moment, notice all the three panel bodies are collapsed. But when we reload this, here you can see HTML panel body is expanded, and when we click on this, it expands. So these are panel accordions. Hope you learn from my video tutorials. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned. Have a good day.